Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buy Reviews channel. Today, I'm diving into a hands-on review of the Wabash popcorn popper with Kernels, a high-performance, silver-finished popcorn machine that promises fast, fluffy, and delicious results every time. Hammer and wrench, first impressions. Right out of the box, the Wabash popper impresses with its sleek, silver metal build and sturdy metal gear mechanism. It feels durable and thoughtfully engineered. The 6-quart capacity is more than enough for family movie nights or entertaining guests. And included kernels are a thoughtful touch that gets you popping right away. Fire performance. In the video, I demonstrate how easy it is to use. Just add oil and kernels, turn the crank, and within minutes, you'll have a full pot of golden, crispy popcorn. The metal gears make the crank smooth and reliable, while the steam vents help prevent sogginess. It heats evenly, and there's almost no burnt or unpopped kernels, which is impressive for a stovetop model. Thumbs up pros. Heavy checkmark, fast and easy to use. Heavy checkmark, durable construction with metal gears. Heavy checkmark, makes up to 6 quarts of popcorn. Heavy checkmark, great taste, comparable to theater-style popcorn. Heavy checkmark, fun and engaging process, great for kids too. Thumbs down cons. Heavy minus sign manual cranking may not appeal to everyone. Heavy minus sign cleaning can be a little tricky if not done immediately after use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this review helpful. Popcorn